Hey Cricketers, check out this cheap and easy wood tile sign. It's only $1.93. There's no cutting, sanding, staining, or painting. Please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss a thing. I found the This Is Us design on Creative Fabrica's website. I'll include the link in the description. Upload it to Design Space. Delete our life, our story, our home, so you have room to personalize it. Add hearts in between the names. Measure your project and resize it in Design Space. This tile measures 24 inches long by 6 inches wide. Make sure your font colors are all the same, then select Resize to 20.7 inches long by 5.6 inches wide and weld your design together. Next, you can cut your vinyl. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell. Cut the vinyl out on your Cricut. I use a Cricut maker. Next, you need to weed your project. Cut out your design and save any of your extra vinyl for later use. Clean the surface with rubbing alcohol and a lint-free wipe. Coffee filters are a great lint-free option that you might have lying around your house. Transfer your design using transfer tape. Whenever I use this transfer tape, I always stick it to my shirt a few times because it's really sticky. I used to have a hard time getting it transferred onto the tile without sticking to the tape until I started using this technique. Carefully lay your design flat on the tile and smooth it out. Now that your vinyl has been transferred, you need to add the mounting hardware. I use D-hooks and E6000 glue. Add a generous amount of glue and make sure you wait at least 24 to 48 hours before hanging it up. You can also use picture frame holders from the dollar store. Check out more designs that I've sold. These signs are great for Mother's Day, Christmas, Valentine's Day. You can hang your kids' artwork on them. The tiles are only $1.93 at Home Depot, plus a little bit of vinyl, and I turn around and sell them for $25 to $35 a piece. There's a huge profit margin, and there's so many different ideas that you can use. Check out some great designs that I found on Creative Fabrica. I'll include the links in the description. I subscribe to their all access plan. It gives me unlimited commercial license to everything on their website. That's fonts, graphics, crafts, you name it, they have it. I even designed my business logo with the help of Creative Fabrica. You can find the wood tiles in the flooring department at Home Depot. Check out the materials that I use for this project. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. This really helps my business grow.